Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Let's try to solve the today's problem. Okay, so the today's problem is function games. Okay, so uh, let's see the problem statement. Before that, if you are watching our video for the first time or if you did not subscribe our channel yet, then please go and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon as well so that you can get the notifications of our new videos. Okay, so let's see the problem statement. Okay, here we have given a problem statement. The problem statement is, let us define a function f as f of x equals to x square plus 2x plus 3. Okay, and given an integer t, find the value of that is f of t plus, okay, this function on here. It is guaranteed that the answer is an integer not greater than 10 raised to 9. Okay, so the input consists of a single integer. Okay, so t is an integer between 0 to 10. Okay, so here we have given some sample input and output for this problem. Okay, so in this problem, what we have to do, we have to calculate the value of t. Okay, that is we have to find the value of this function, that is f of x. Okay, so we have to apply this formula, okay, which is x square plus 2x plus 3. Okay, and we have to find the value of t by using this function. Okay, and to find the value of t, we have to apply this formula to each and every function given here. Okay, that is this one f of t, that is then this f of t, that we have to apply this formula to find the answer of t. Okay, so uh, here below we have given some sample input, okay, output for this problem. Okay, so first what we can do, let's try to understand how we can get this, the answer for this. Okay, so let's see first. Okay, so here we have given 0 and 3. These are the inputs. Okay, let's see for this. Okay, so first what I can do, I will remove this one. Okay, let's go here. Okay, and let's see now here. Suppose first t equals to 0 we have given. Okay, so let's find the value of this f of t by using this formula. Okay, uh, okay, so we are going to apply this formula on this function. Okay, let's find. Okay, in the first sample input we have given t equals to 0. Okay, so we are going to find the value of t. Okay, we are we are going to apply the value of t inside this function. Okay, and by using this formula we can find the value of this function. Okay, so how we can solve this, let's see. Okay, so we have given the t equals to 0. Okay, so first what we can do, we'll find out the value of this function, which is f of t. Okay, so f of t, which is 0. Okay, so what we can do here, just okay, so here simply uh, f of 0, we have applied a value of t which we have given is 0. Okay, so now uh, first we'll find the value of this f of 0. Okay, so now we are going to apply this formula f of x equals to x square plus 2x plus 3. Okay, so the first is x square, that means 0 into 0. Okay, then plus, then 2 into 0, then plus 3. We are going to apply this formula here. Okay, so the value of this function 0 into 0 0 plus 2 into 0 0 0, okay, 0 plus 3 equals to 3. Okay, so here the value of this f of t uh, is 3. Okay, then now what we can do, mm, then now we have found the value of this function, that is till this one. Now we have to find the value of f of this part, okay, that is f of this. So this is f, and the value of this is 3, which we have just now we have calculated. Okay, now we are going to apply same this formula on this f of 3. Okay, so this f of 3 equals to, what we can do, we have to apply this formula, that is x square. So 3 into 3 plus 2 into 3, and then plus 3. Okay, so now the value of this 3 into 3, 9, plus this 3 into 2, 6, plus 3. Okay, 9 plus 6, 15, and 15 plus 3, which is 18. Okay, now we have found the value of this function till this part. Okay, now we have to find the value of this function. Okay, now let's find this. Okay, so the value of t which we have given is 0. Okay, and then f of t. Okay, here we have find the value of this f of t first, which is this f of t, which is f of 0, that is 3. Okay, so 3 plus 0 is equals to 3. Okay, so now we have found the value of this function p, this part. Okay, now we have to find the value of this function, that is this one will this part, f of this function. So the value of this is 3. So this, and now we have to find the value of f of 3 from this function till this. Okay, so f of 3 we have already found the value, which is 18. So the value of this function is 18. Okay, so now what we can do, now we have to find the value of this whole function, this function, and we have to add this one. So what we can do, we have to find the value of f of this 18 here, plus, and the value of this function which we already calculated, it is also 18. Okay, so 18 plus 18, f of 36. Okay, now we have to apply this formula on this function as well. Okay, so 36 into 36 plus 2 into 36 and plus 3. Okay, we have copied this formula. Okay, so 36 into 36, what is the value of 36 into 36? It is 1 2 9 6 plus 36 into 2, 72, 72 plus 3, 5. Okay, so the value of this 12 1296 plus 75 equals to 1371. 1371. Okay, so this is the output of this sample input, which is t equals to 0. Okay, let's see. Okay, here you can see that output is 1371, which is correct. Okay, now let's see for this third second sample input 3. Okay, now what I can do, first let's remove this part. Let's see for the second sample input. So first I got this. Okay, so let's see for the second sample input, which is t equals to 3. Okay, so first we'll find this f of t. That means we have to apply f of x function here. Okay, so the value of t is 3. Okay, so the first f of 3 equals to, so uh, let's find the value of this f of 3. So 3 into 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 3. Okay, so the value of is 3 into 3, 9, 9 plus 6, 15 plus 3, 18. Okay, so the value of this function, okay, till this part, this function is 18. Okay, now we have to find the value of this f of this whole function, this one, this function. Okay, so now uh, f of the value of this is 18. So f of 18. So let's find the value of this f of 18. So 18 into 18 plus 2 into 18 plus 3. Okay, so the value of this is 18 into 18 equals to 3 to 4 plus 18 into 2, 36 plus 3, 39. Okay, equals to plus 363. 363. Okay, so we have find the value of this function, which is 363. Okay, now we have to find the value of this. Okay, so first what we can do, the value of t is 3, which we have already given. Okay, so plus f of t, that is this one, the value of this, that is this one, f of t is we already find, that is 18. So 18. So now we have 18 plus 3 equals to 21. Okay, so now we have find the value of this one. Okay, so now we have to find the value of this f of this function, this function. So f of 21, let's find the value of f of 21. So 21 into 21 plus 2 into 21 plus 3. So the value of it's 21 into 21, that is 4, 4, 1 plus this is 21 into 2, 42 plus 3, 45 plus 45 equals to 486. Okay, now we have found the value of this function as well. Okay, so now we have to find the value of this function, which is from here to here. Okay, so the value of this function is, which this one, 486. Okay, and for this function value is 363. Okay, so now we have to find the value of f of this 486, this plus, and this 360, 363. Okay, so the addition of this is 486 plus 363, which is 849. Okay, so now we have to find the value of f of 849. Okay, so let's try to find that. So 849 into 849 plus 2 into 849 plus 3. Okay, so let's calculate this. Okay, so 489 into 489. 489 into 489. Sorry, 849, then not 489, and it's 849 into 849. Okay, so the value of this is 720,801 plus. Okay, so the 849 into 2 equals to plus 3, which is 1701. Okay, so the addition of this both should be 720,8 720,801 plus 1701, which is 722,502. Okay, so this is the out. Okay, for this sample input t equals to 3. Okay, so let's see 722,502. Okay, you can see here 722,502. It is the same output for t equals to 0. Okay, so this is the problem statement, okay, which we have given. Now let's try to write the code for this problem. Okay, so what I can do, I will write scanner sc equals to new scanner, then system.in. We have given one integer which is t, sc.next int. Okay, okay, so now what we can do, we have to apply this formula. Okay, so for this function, what we can do here, let's create one function, public static integer f of integer x. Okay, and inside this, what we can do, we'll write return x into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Okay, we have applied this formula. We have written this formula here. Okay, so now we are going to call this function here. Okay, so I will write integer answer equals to what we can do. Let's copy this function. Let's paste it here, and simply we are going to print answer. Okay, so this is the code for this problem. Now let's try to run this. So I will give the input 0. Okay, let's see, click on run. Okay, for this output should be 1371. Okay, you can see that output is 1371. Now let's see for the second sample input. I will give the input 3. Click on run. Okay, for this output should be 722,502. Okay, you can see that output is 722,502. Okay, so this is the code for this problem. Okay, so let's try to submit it now. Okay, you can see that all the test cases has been passed. Okay, so this is the code for this problem. Okay, so that's it in this video. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।